Hello! So idioms are expressions that help us describe an exact situation but in a much more creative way. And you know what? A lot of natives, they constantly use those idioms. And if you want to sound like one, then I guess you just have to learn them, okay? Das Leben ist kein Ponyhof.
Das Leben ist kein Ponyhof. Or even more Swiss, das Leben ist kein Zugus. And it actually means that life is not always easy. Life can be very hard. It's not like a Sugus. Sugus is a Swiss sweet which was first produced in 1931 in the canton of Neuenburg. And nowadays it's produced in France. And it's so popular in Switzerland that we eat 350,000 Sugus every day.
Es ist kein Schwein da.
Es ist kein Schwein da. There is no pig. It means there is nobody here. You know, we used to have a lot of pigs and we use the word pig a lot when we want to emphasize something.
Hop de Basse.
Hop de Basse. Go broom. Which means be quick.
Es gibt nichts, was es nicht gibt.
Es gibt nichts, was nicht gibt. There is nothing that doesn't exist. We usually say it when we experience something really weird.
Do you hear that? You know, I've got an idea. Let's see if I can trick it. Check that out. Check it out. I put that here. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna feed it. Whatever it is. It will come eventually and eat the food. Ich zeig dir, wo der Bartli den Most holt.
Ich zeig dir, wo der Bartli den Most holt. It's if you want to threat someone, I'm gonna show you what I will do with you. These kind of things, there are a lot of theories about this saying, and one of them is Bartli is actually the word for Bartel, which is a crowbar. And Most means money. So I will show you how to get the money with my crowbar. It's a threat.
So. Komm, mach kein Büro auf.
Mach kein Büro auf. Don't open an office, which means don't be so complicated. Just do it.
Komm, der Schneller ist der Geschwinder.
Der Schneller ist der Geschwinder. The faster is the faster. Be quick. If you're the quickest, you will get what you want.
Ja, komm. Es hat so lang es hat.
Es hat so lang es hat. There is as long as there is. So for example, you can have food as long as there is food. So be quick.
Also jetzt ist genug heute unten. Jetzt ist wirklich genug.
Jetzt ist genug Heu drinnen. There is enough hay now downstairs. The farmers, they used to have the hay right on top of the cows so they could throw the hay downstairs to the cows. And you could hear the farmers say very often, jetzt ist genug Heu drinnen. But it actually nowadays means that now it's enough. Enough is enough.
Lass mir doch in die Schuhe, echt.
Blaas mir doch in die Schuhe. Blow into my shoes. You say it if you want somebody to stop. Okay, this conversation is finished. Okay, I'm done with you. Blaas mir doch in die Schuhe. And then you walk away.
Es ist saukalt.
Es ist saukalt. Again, sau means pig. It's pig cold. You know, pigs usually aren't cold, so it's as cold that even a pig would be cold.
You know what? I'm not gonna give up. Der Gescheiter gibt nach und der Esel bleibt stehen.
Der Gescheiter gibt nach, der Esel bleibt stehen. So the more clever person gives in and the stupid person just stays where he or she is and doesn't give in.
Weisst du was? Kannst nicht das Fünfi und das Weckli haben?
Kannst nicht das Fünfi und das Weckli haben.
You can't have me. You can have my food, but you know.
You can't have the fiver plus the bread. Fünfi means 5 cents and Weckli is some kind of bread, a typical Swiss bread.
Da liegt der Hund begraben.
Da liegt
Exactly.
der Hund begraben.
That's what was missing the whole time.
In the past, either a devil or a biting dog was depicted on treasure chests to deter thieves. So if you knew where the treasure chest with the dog on it was buried, you had found what you were looking for. So it actually means now I know what's the problem.
I can catch you with this. Yes, that's it. Das war voll für die Katze.
Das ist für die Katze. So the whole thing was for nothing. It was useless. In a fable from the 16th century, a blacksmith offers his customers to set the price for his work themselves. They thank him but pay nothing. In his anger, he ties up his cat so that it can no longer go catching mice. If the blacksmith is not paid, the animal gets nothing except the saying, "Cat, I'll give it to you." It starves to death.
Finally home. I'm so sorry because I couldn't manage to teach you the idioms this time. So many weird things have happened. I mean, but you know, I promise you next time. That.